Welcome back everyone to another video. Today we're going to see how to temporarily deactivate Snapchat account. First thing first, launch the Snapchat app on your phone. Tap your profile picture in the top left corner, then tap the gear icon in the top right corner to open settings. If you're on iPhone or iPad, you can deactivate your account directly from the app. On Android, this will redirect you to the Snapchat accounts portal. Just scroll down through the settings menu until you reach the account actions section. Indeed there, tap delete account and it's located near the bottom of the list. After selecting delete account, you'll be taken to the accounts portal page, log in, and you'll be going to the account deletion page. Just finish the steps to delete it. And just a tip, you know that if you haven't or won't access your account for 30 days, it will be deleted automatically. So if you want to do it temporarily, just make sure you log in back within the 30 days window before your account completely got deleted. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.